Hey cousins, all the new ones and my seasoned ones. I have another blast from the past, but you can tell by my old logo, right? I'm going to show you how I made my stuffed bell peppers. Now, of course, I have new stuffed bell pepper recipes, available or coming to you. But we're going to start off by showing you my old one. So this will be a refresher for my older subscribers, the ones that've been around for a while. And this will be a new one for my newbies. So I start off with ground beef, okay? I'm going to season it up with garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning salt or salt-free seasoning. You're going to brown the meat over medium high or medium heat depending on your stovetop, and then you're going to start adding in onion. You're also going to start adding in some salsa, okay? Now don't skip out on that because it adds a lot of flavor, okay? And it's a nice cheap ingredient to always keep on hand because you can incorporate it in so many dishes. I added in some leftover cooked rice, which I seem to do a lot of. And then we are going to mix everything up and set it to the side. Now, these are the bell peppers that I used for this recipe because at the time this was what was on sale. I'm pretty sure that's why I had orange bell peppers at this time. You're going to do the same thing. You go to that grocery store or your garden and you're going to get whatever you have, okay? Or open up that fridge, and if you already have some bell peppers, that's what you use. Now we are going to stuff it with our stuffing that we made earlier. And then we are going to not forget to give this video a thumbs up, of course. So like this video, okay? I gotta tell y'all because you be forgetting. And now we're going to put this in the oven uncovered on 375 for 20 minutes. Remove it. And y'all know I love cheese. If you don't, you can skip this step. But we're going to sprinkle some cheese on top. And then we're going to put it back in the oven until the cheese is melted. Whew, my videos were so short back then. This is a lot of info in so little time. So yeah, put it back in the oven. And then when it's done, this is what it looks like. Delicious. Head over to iHeartRecipes.com for the exact measurements, and I will see you soon.